The next morning, Lily awoke with a renewed sense of determination. The whispers and warnings of the villagers had only fueled her curiosity about the enchanted forest. As she helped her mother prepare breakfast, she couldn't help but overhear a group of children huddled in the town square, excitedly sharing tales of the wondrous creatures that dwelled within the forest's depths. "I heard there are fairies that dance among the trees, sprinkling magic dust that makes you float," exclaimed a young boy. "And unicorns, majestic beasts with horns that shine brighter than the sun," added a girl, her eyes wide with wonder. Lily's heart raced as she listened, her mind already picturing the magical sights that awaited her. She couldn't resist the temptation any longer. Quietly, she approached the group of children. "What else have you heard about the forest?" she asked, unable to contain her curiosity. The children turned to her, surprised to see the usually reserved Lily engaging with them. One of the older boys, sensing her genuine interest, leaned in conspiratorially. "They say there's a talking squirrel who guards the forest and helps lost travelers find their way," he whispered. "And an ancient owl named Eldora, who knows all the secrets of the enchanted realm." Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. "A talking squirrel? And an owl with wisdom? Oh, how I wish I could meet them!" she exclaimed. The children looked at her with a mix of awe and concern. "But Lily, you know the forest is dangerous," a girl warned. "The elders say dark magic lurks within, and those who venture too deep never return." Lily's smile faded slightly, but her determination remained unwavering. "I understand the risks, but I can't ignore the call of the forest any longer. There's something out there waiting to be discovered, and I have to find out what it is." With that, Lily bid the children farewell and hurried home, her mind racing with possibilities. As she entered the small cottage, she found her mother kneading bread, her brow furrowed with worry. "Lily, my dear, where have you been?" her mother asked, her tone tinged with concern. "Mother, I've made up my mind," Lily said, her voice resolute. "I'm going to explore the enchanted forest today." Her mother's eyes widened in alarm. "Lily, no. You mustn't. The forest is too dangerous, filled with dark magic and unspeakable creatures. I forbid you to go." Lily stepped forward, her expression earnest. "Please, mother, understand. I know the forest is perilous, but I feel a pull towards it, like there's something I'm meant to discover. I promise I'll be careful, and I'll return before nightfall." Her mother's shoulders slumped, and she let out a deep sigh. "I know I can't stop you, Lily. Your curiosity has always been stronger than my fears." She paused, her eyes filled with a mixture of worry and pride. "Just promise me you'll be safe, and that you'll come back to me." Lily embraced her mother tightly. "I promise, mother. I'll be back before you know it." With a final reassuring smile, Lily turned and hurried towards the edge of the village, her heart pounding with a mix of excitement and trepidation.